Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, I'm done. Oh god. Did you get that on camera?
Yep, I did. I don't know if you recorded it, but I mean, I don't know if you could hear him.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't know.
That
I
was-
took some drugs.
That last one was hilarious. Cause you waited, it got quiet, and you just said it loud as hell. Wow.
I feel like I'm like hidden from everybody. Nobody can see me. Ah! Can you see me?
Yep.
Yes. Damn it. Good boy! I'm scared. Fuck.
What the fuck? Hit that.
Turn it up.
What the heck?
You hit the couch and
Andrew, you're in danger right there.
I think you're in more of a danger than Kevin is.
He did that count 3 times.
wow.